Welcome to Systems 1. Today, we're covering exactly how to build an AI inventory, step by step. We're laying down that essential groundwork so you have the absolutely solid footing you need to navigate this wild new technology. Let's jump right in.
Because here's the thing, you literally cannot govern what you don't know exists, right? I mean, it sounds super simple, but it's incredibly profound when you actually think about it. Before we can even start talking about risks or ethics or, compliance, we have to uncover the hidden AI tools already operating in the shadows of your organization. That is the vital first step.
And that's exactly what we're here to achieve today. As a California nonprofit, our core mission is helping legal aid organizations and clinics move from total confusion to, well, governed action. This explainer is all about laying that practical groundwork for you and making all this complex stuff actually approachable. Okay, Section 1, the 5-step life cycle, bringing hidden AI to light.
We're going to walk through the complete life cycle for every single tool. So first, how to actually discover those hidden AI tools. Then, how to catalog them properly, classify their specific use cases, assign a clear owner, and finally, establish a refresh cadence to keep your list accurate over time. It's kind of like a giant puzzle, and these are the essential pieces.
Now, the crucial point here is this. We don't just list the software. Anybody can make a list. We document exactly how it's being used and, critically, who is responsible for it. This level of detail, it is the foundational first step for literally any effective governance program. Moving right along to Section 2, the practical application, your AI inventory register. Take a look at the sample register on your screen. Notice how every tool goes through those 5 stages we just talked about, directly within this framework. We track the tool name, document its use case and classification, and, this is a big one, we assign a clear owner. This gives you a crystal clear picture of what it looks like to track a tool from complete obscurity right into governed accountability.
So, what's next? Section 3, taking your next steps with today's practical output.
To start tracking the AI tools in your organization today, just click the link in the description to download the AI inventory template. It's available in both Excel and Google Sheets, so you can pick whatever format works best for your team and literally start building your register right now. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a question to chew on. What hidden AI tools are operating in your clinic or organization right now? Seriously, it is time to bring them into the light. Make sure you've grabbed today's template from the description, and then go ahead and proceed to the next explainer in the playlist to continue building your foundation. See you there.